let's see. I don't know if I can show it. That was the road I came over on. It is now flooded. It was not flooded when I drove the opposite direction. You see that truck? Let's see. There's another car coming. It's about to enter into it. And we're about to get to, oh yeah, you can see all that was almost to the road before, and now it's pretty much at the road. That's a drainage ditch. All that's drainage ditch. This is our neighborhood. And look, there's the mailman. Rain or shine. That pond is about as full as I have seen it. So is that one. And I bet the street in front of our house is probably a bit more flooded now.